What if I told you that one of the most anticipated games in the world is being delayed because of a recipe book? It may sound surprising, but that's exactly what the creator of Stardew Valley has revealed. Today we're taking a closer look at the latest update of Haunted Chocolatier and why such a small feature is receiving so much attention. Instead of announcing a release date or showing new gameplay, Stardew Valley creator Eric Barone, also known as Concerned, shared that he has been spending a lot of time improving one of the game's most important systems, the recipe book used to make chocolates. At first, this may not seem like a major update. After all, it's just a menu where players choose recipes. But according to Barone, this is one of the screen players will use over and over throughout the game. Because of that, he wanted to feel fast, simple, and enjoyable every single time. He explained that he has redesigned the recipe book several times, each version become a little better than the last. His goal is to help players find recipes quickly, understand everything easily, and complete their tasks with fewer clicks. He also wants the menu to display just the right amount of information, not too much to overwhelm the players and not too little to make it feel empty. This update gives fans a better understanding of how carefully Haunted Chocolatier is being developed. Rather than rushing the game, Eric Barone is focusing on every small detail that players will interact with. He admitted that the project is taking longer than expected. He knows fans have been waiting patiently, but he believes the game should only be released when it feels complete. That means every menu, every system, every animation, and every gameplay needs to work naturally and provide a smooth experience. For anyone unfamiliar with the game, Haunted Chocolatier is the next project from the creator of Stardew Valley. While Stardew Valley focuses on farming and building peaceful life, Haunted Chocolatier introduces players to a mysterious world where they collect ingredients, create different types of chocolates, manage their own chocolate shop, explore magical locations, battle monsters, and meet interesting new characters. The recipe book is expected to play a major role in the game. Players will likely unlock new recipes, collect rare ingredients, experiment with different chocolate combinations, and prepare products to sell in their shop. That's exactly why Barone believes this feature deserves extra attention. Imagine operating the recipe book dozens of times during one single session. If using or slow, it could affect the overall experience. But if it's worked perfectly, players will enjoy using it without even thinking about how much effort went into designing it. This attention to detail is one of the reasons Stardew Valley became such a successful game. Fans appreciated how polished every feature felt, even the smallest one. It seems Eric Barone wanted Haunted Chocolatier to reach the same high standard. Barone also explained why he rarely shares screenshots or gameplay previews. He compared it to serving half-baked bread. In other words, he preferred to wait until everything is properly finished before showing it to players. He wants fans to see the game when it truly represents his vision rather than showing unfinished work that may change later. Many fans were hoping this update would include a release date, but unfortunately there still isn't one. Eric Barone didn't reveal when the game will launch. Instead, he simply confirmed that development is continuing steadily and he remains fully committed to creating the best game possible. Even though the wait continues, this update shows that real progress is happening behind the scenes. Every improvement, even something as small as recipe book, is helping shape the final experience. Previous updates have also suggested that Haunted Chocolatier could be larger than the Stardew Valley in several ways. The game is expected to feature more areas to explore, deeper crafting system, additional equipment, improved combat mechanics, and the darker but still charming atmosphere. Fans are excited because the game combines life simulation, exploration, shop management, crafting, and adventures into one unique experience. Running a haunted chocolate shop while exploring mysterious location is certainly a fresh idea that stands out from many other games. In my opinion, taking extra time to polish a game is always a better choice than releasing it before it's ready. If this is carefully developed, it results in a smoother and more enjoyable experience. I believe the wait will be completely worth it. What do you think? Are you excited for Haunted Chocolatier? And do you think focusing on small details like a recipe book is the right decision? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.